Good afternoon, children. We are back here again with the new topic. We are now going to discuss Unit 1, Chapter 4, Mobile Technologies, right? And we are discussing the important topics here. For the detailed description of the topics, of the questions, please buy Max Marks Question Bank, which is published by Vidya Prakashan Mandir Private Limited. You can buy it from the Vidya Prakashan website also, and you can go to Amazon or Flipkart to buy those question banks, right? So now let's get back to the next topic, which is mobile technology. Now, when we talk about mobile technology, what comes in your mind? We know that mobile technology has evolved over the years, right? Earlier we used to have small mobiles which don't have even cameras, which don't have internet access, and the mobiles were used only just to talk to each other, communicate each other. No, only SMS we were able to send, that's it. But over the years, mobile technology has been evolved, right? Now first, let's discuss what is mobile technology. Mobile technology is the technology which is used in the cellular communication, means mobile communication, right? It is a technology which is used for phone calls. मोबाइल टेक्नोलॉजी से हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं? वी कैन मेक अ कॉल टू अदर्स, वी कैन send messages to each other, we can these days play games also, we can access internet also, and mobiles are used for the navigation. Whenever we are going out, we immediately switch on to GPS, right? Google Maps हम open कर लेते हैं just to get the directions of for the destination place. So all this is possible just because of the mobile technology. Now there are different types of mobile technology we use in these days. Earlier it was started 2G technology, now 3G technology, which is also known as third generation of mobile technology, और जिसको हम ट्राईबैंक 3G भी बोलते हैं, right? The next technologies are 4G technology, which is known as fourth generation of mobile technology. Using fourth generation mobile technology, which we can send messages, multimedia content, audio, video, graphics. We can play HDD videos, high definition videos. We can play games with the help of the 4G technology, right? 3G finds application in wireless voice telephony, mobile internet access, fixed wireless internet access, and वीडियो क्लास एंड मोबाइल टीवी. आजकल आप इंटरनेट टीवी भी अवेलेबल है, राइट? सो दैट इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबल जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द मोबाइल टेक्नोलॉजी, मोबाइल कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, राइट? नाउ 4G technology. 4G technology, it is known as fourth generation of mobile technology, and it is launched after the 3G technology, right? It provides internet speed up to, see, in 3G technology the internet speed can be maximum 100 Mbps, but in 4G technology the internet speed is up to 100 Mbps to 1 Gbps, right? Means जितनी भी high configured games हैं, high configured videos हैं, we all can watch these videos, play games. वीडियो कॉलिंग जब हम करते हैं, राइट, देर इज नो लैगिंग ऑफ द वीडियोज और द ऑडियोज. दैट इज पॉसिबल जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द स्पीड ऑफ द इंटरनेट मोबाइल टेक्नोलॉजी, 4G technology. The 100 Mbps speed is while moving and 1 Gbps while stationary, right? The 4G allowed to access the services. आप क्या क्या एक्सेस कर सकते हो 4G टेक्नोलॉजी से? वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग आप बिना किसी ब्रेक के, बिना किसी रिस्ट्रिक्शंस, बिना किसी लिमिटेशंस के, बैरियर्स के यूज कर सकते हो. HDD टीवी, मोबाइल टीवी, जैसे आजकल एयरटेल टीवी है आपका, टाटा स्काई, दीज ऑल आर सैटेलाइट बेस्ड टीवी. यू कैन एक्सेस दोज सर्विसेज. गेमिंग सर्विसेज, देर आर मेनी high configured games which requires high internet connection that can be played using 4G technology. IP telephony and cloud computing service is also possible just because of the 4G technology. IP telephony means जैसे आप WhatsApp, Skype यूज करते हैं, right? that is IP telephony, right? Cloud computing, we know that कि ऑनलाइन ड्राइव में जब हम डेटा रखते हैं तो अपलोडिंग downloading is faster in 4G technology as compared to the 3G technology, right? WiMAX internet service, इसको भी another name is 4G, right? WiMAX broadband, WiMAX VPN, fixed wireless data, ये सब comes under the category of 4G technology, right? Now, other services which are provided by the mobile technology, that is SMS. I'm sure you must have heard about the SMS. SMS क्या? It is a text messaging service with the help of which we can send messages up to 160 characters, right? Suppose we have to send some text messages, only character based messages to someone up to 160 characters. तो आप मोबाइल के थ्रू जब आपने भेजना है, then you can use SMS service, right? If you remember earlier when we don't have the smartphones, when if their message is long, it's more than 160 characters say, then at times messages comes in the different parts. पहले एक part message का deliver हुआ, फिर दूसरा part, right? Because the limit of short message texting is 160 characters. Beyond that, अगर आपका message increase हो जाएगा, then it will come in the part. It will be delivered in the parts, right? Cellular phones पर हम भेज सकते थे messages, smartphones and PDAs. PDAs is personal digital assistant. जैसे आपका Siri हो गया, then Alexa. These are the personal digital assistants. SMS can be sent within the same cell or other device which have roaming facility. आप same device पर भी SMS भेज सकते हो और किसी और devices पे जिसके ऊपर roaming facility है, you can send SMS, right? Then the next application is MMS, which is known as multimedia messaging services, right? It is a mobile service using which user is allowed to send multimedia messages. When we talk about multimedia, तो multimedia में आपके सब कुछ आ गया. It includes audios, videos, documents, right? Pictures, everything. So MMS is the mobile service which allows users to send multimedia messages to each other, right? Suppose अगर आपने किसी को कोई मैसेज के थ्रू, SMS के थ्रू आपने you have sent a image to someone, तो वो आपका by default, if you have internet access in your system, it will go as an MMS, right? Multimedia messages can include images भी हो सकती हैं, audio, video, graphics, right? Animation, हम animated cards भेजते हैं जैसे, that is possible just because of the MMS service, right? MMS is not used only to send text messages but also allows to send audio video files also, right? ये जरूरी नहीं है कि आपने अगर text message ही भेजना है MMS के through, you can send audios, videos as well using MMS facility. Now let's start with the question answer session, right? So first of all, we are starting with assertion and reasoning based questions. As I have already discussed, whenever you are attempting assertion reasoning based questions, you need to read the question, read the statements carefully. पहले आप assertion की statement carefully read करो, and then you read the reason, and then see how the both statements are related to each other. So assertion says 4G has a high speed data transmission rate of 100 Mbps to Gbps. This is true. हमें पता है कि ये सही है. The data transmission rate depends upon the network and device capability. ये भी सही है कि आपकी स्पीड क्या रहेगी, डेटा ट्रांसमिशन रेट क्या रहेगा, that depends upon the network you are using and also depends upon the device capability, right? अगर आप suppose device पुराना यूज कर रहे हो, then it may not have the access of 3G 4G technology, और आजकल तो 5G technology भी आ गया है, in which the high speed internet, I mean 300 to 50 Mbps speed is there, right? Sorry, gigabyte speed is there, right? So we know that both the statements are true. Now we have to see how these two statements are related to each other. 4G has high speed data transmission rate, true. Data transmission rate depends upon the network. We know that both A and R true. Is the R correct explanation of A? 4G को explain कर रहा है वो? No. So the correct statement would be both A and R true. Yes, both the statements are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Now, let's start with case-based questions. As I have told earlier, in the case-based questions, you need to read the chapter, you read the question statements carefully, right? Let's read it. Internet and mobile technology media are growing these days and created a significant impact on our lives. Mobile technology, very important, आपको highlight करना है point, that is used for communication in the mobile devices. The mobile technology has evolved from a simple pager. Earlier, pager use होते थे, now to a handheld computers. The mobile technology has become so popular due to the affordability. Why mobile technology is becoming popular day by day? Because it's easily affordable and the range of services that it provides. आप टीवी भी देख सकते हो मोबाइल पर आजकल, आप इंटरनेट भी एक्सेस, यू डोंट नीड अ लैपटॉप. आप क्लासेस अटेंड करनी है, मेनी टाइम्स वी अटेंड क्लासेस आल्सो, वीडियो कॉलिंग के लिए हम यूज करते हैं. द सर्विसेज विच आर प्रोवाइडेड बाय मोबाइल टेक्नोलॉजी आर वॉइस कॉलिंग, सेंडिंग टेक्स्ट मैसेजेस, जीपीएस नेविगेशन, ईमेल्स, रनिंग वेरियस एप्लीकेशन, प्ले गेम्स भी प्ले कर सकते हो, मीटिंग्स आप कंडक्ट कर सकते हो यूजिंग मोबाइल्स, राइट. Some of the most popular mobile technologies are SMS, MMS, 3G, 4G and 5G, right? The SMS stands for short message services, which is also known as texting, right? It is a very convenient way to send short messages on mobile devices. The text messages have a limitation. We have already discussed that 160 characters only we can send using the text message, right? If the message is longer than 160 characters, then it will be broken into different parts, multiple segments, and then can 160 के, सपोज आपका 450 या 460 का है, तो 160 के सेगमेंट्स बनेंगे और पार्ट्स में डिलीवर होगा आपका मैसेज, राइट. एंड कैन बी सेंड इन द ऑर्डर द मैसेज इज रिटन. MMS क्या, it is a multimedia messaging service which is used to send messages along with multimedia content, audio, video, animation, graphics, anything you can send using multimedia. Now, let's discuss the questions. Which of the following is not a mobile service? Video calling, voice calling, GPS navigation, attending. मोबाइल सर्विस से हम, मोबाइल कम्युनिकेशन, मोबाइल टेक्नोलॉजी से हम क्या सर्विस नहीं यूज कर सकते? वीडियो कॉलिंग वी कैन यूज, यस वी कैन कंडक्ट वीडियो कॉलिंग. वॉइस कॉलिंग हम कर सकते हैं, जीपीएस नेविगेशन हम कर सकते हैं, बट ऑफिस अटेंड हम नहीं कर सकते यूजिंग मोबाइल. दैट इज नॉट वन ऑफ द मोबाइल सर्विसेज, राइट. नाउ, which mobile technology has a limitation of sending 160 characters, right? कौन सी सर्विस? we have already learned that texting, text messages or SMS allows us to send only 160 characters. So the correct answer would be SMS, because MMS में हम more than 160 characters हम भेज सकते हैं, और 3G की क्या स्पीड है? up to 100 Mbps. Clear? Now, another name of SMS, क्या बोलेंगे? Messaging, blogging, texting, none of the above. What will be the correct answer? That will be texting. We have already discussed that. That another name for SMS is texting. Now, which technology is used for communication through mobile services? Information technology हम use करते हैं when we are communicating through the mobiles? No. Mobile technology? Yes. Data science हम use करते हैं? No. So the correct answer would be mobile technology, which we use for communication through the mobiles, right? Now the next question is, which of the following is a mobile technology, right? कौन कौन सी कैटेगरीज? अभी हमने मोबाइल टेक्नोलॉजीज डिस्कस की. वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द SMS, MMS, 3G, 4G, 5G टेक्नोलॉजी. So all these categories fall under the mobile technology, right? So the answer would be D, all of the above. 3G, 4G, SMS, MMS, all are the mobile technologies, right? Now, which things can be added to MMS? We know that MMS stands for multimedia messaging services, right? And multimedia, when we talk about the multimedia, then it can contain images, audios, videos, animations, anything. सो इमेजेस है, यस, ऑडियो भी होता है, वीडियो भी होता है, so the correct answer would be D, that all the above things can be added or can be sent through the MMS, right? Now the full form of MMS is multimedia messaging services, multiple messaging services, multimedia medium services, none of the above. So correct answer would be multimedia messaging services, right? Now let's come to the short answer questions. Very important, what is the difference between MMS and SMS? When we are writing, students, the difference between the two concepts or the two terms, always divide the topic into column wise. Suppose आपने यहाँ लिखा SMS और this side you write MMS, right? And then write the differences to have the more clarity. It looks neat, right? And reader, the one who's like checking your papers or who's the examiner, have the clarity, right? So SMS kya? It is the service which is provided by mobile technology and it is also known as text messages. So one difference ये हो गया हमारा. MMS की आप फर्स्ट में आप फुल फॉर्म लिख सकते हो दोनों की, तो एक डिफरेंस ये हो गया. SMS stands for so short messaging services, MMS stands for multimedia messaging services. SMS is also known as text messages. It allows to show text messages. The limit लिख सकते हो आप 160 characters और इसमें हम कोई ऐसा such limit नहीं है. We can send audios, videos. In SMS we cannot add audios, videos, but in MMS we can attach audios and videos as well. So like this, if you write the difference, dividing it into the column, it will be more, it looks nice, right? SMS is the service provided by mobile technology, which is also refers to as text messaging. It allows to short messages up to 160 characters and mobile devices or cellular phones, smartphones, PDS के through आप messages भेज सकते हैं, right? SMS can be sent with the same cell or to any devices having the roaming facility. MMS क्या? Full form आ गई multimedia message servicing. Then it is the service that allows users to send multimedia messages. Means images, audios, videos, animations, anything you can send, graphics. MMS is not only used to send text messages but also allows to add sound, audio, video also to the message. MMS support is automatically inserted or activated whenever a text message extends the limit to 160 characters or contain. Whenever you are sending a message, suppose that message have images or audios or videos, right? So automatically, if it can't be delivered as a text message, it will automatically convert it into the MMS service अपने आप existence में आ जाएगी, and your message will be delivered as an MMS provided you have the data access, internet on your mobile. Now let's discuss the long answer, that is what is the difference between the 3G and 4G technology, right? We all know that 3G technology, it is also called as third generation of mobile technology, and it is also known as tri-band 3G, right? Which provides a data speed of 200 kbps, right? Which helps to transmit data over the device with a speed of 200 kbps, right? It allows to send multimedia content, audio, video, graphics. 3G finds application in wireless telephony, mobile internet access, fixed wireless internet, video call and mobile TV. But these days now 4G technology also have come into existence. In many cities, many areas, 5G is already introduced, right? 4G refers to fourth generation of mobile technology and it was launched after 3G technology. It provides internet speed up to 100 Mbps to 1 Gbps. Gbps, Mbps stands for megabytes per second and Gbps stands for gigabytes per second, right? The 100 Mbps speed is while we are moving. Suppose हम move कर रहे हैं, phone में हमारी speed 100 Mbps रहेगी. But when we are stationed somewhere, we are static, then the speed will be 1 Gbps. 4G से हम क्या क्या एक्सेस कर सकते हैं? We can conduct video conferencing. हम लोग हाई डेफिनेशन मोबाइल टीवी, हाई डेफिनेशन आजकल आपने देखा होगा HD चैनल्स आते हैं इंटरनेट टीवी में, तो यू कैन एक्सेस दैट ऑल्सो. गेम आप प्ले कर सकते हो, गेमिंग सर्विसेज यू कैन एक्सेस. देयर आर मेनी high animated games जिसके heavy softwares which requires or high internet speed requires, you can play those games. IP telephony and cloud computing, suppose आपने WhatsApp पर इंटरनेट कॉलिंग कर रहे हो या फिर आप स्काइप यूज कर रहे हो, फॉर दैट 4G टेक्नोलॉजी इज मोर सक्सेसफुल एज कम्पेयर टू 3G. क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग, गूगल ड्राइव में आपको या फिर अपना वन ड्राइव में कुछ डेटा अपलोड करना है या वहां से कुछ डाउनलोड करना है, दैट इज more easily can be more at a fast speed can be done using the 4G technology. There are 4G candidate systems are commercially deployed in mobile. First is the LTE, on which 4G technology is based upon. It stands for long-term evolution. 4G was defined as the ideal standard. The second is WiMAX, which is a broadband connection that provides high-speed data, which is delivered wirelessly from service provider to a लोकेशन. वाईमैक्स इंटरनेट सर्विस को हम 4G भी बोलते हैं, वाईमैक्स ब्रॉडबैंड भी बोलते हैं, वाईमैक्स VPN भी बोलते हैं, फिक्स्ड वायरलेस डेटा भी बोलते हैं, राइट. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द 3G एंड द 4G टेक्नोलॉजी, राइट. So that's all for this session, children. We have discussed only the few topics. This is a very small topic, right? You can download, you can buy the question bank Max Marks, which is published by Vidya Prakashan Private Limited from the Vidya Prakashan website, or you can go to Amazon or Flipkart to buy the question bank and get the maximum out of it. All the best. Thank you.